Welcome to Auto Craze. The 2025 BMW M4 is here, and it's better than ever. BMW has taken everything we love about the M4 and made it even more aggressive, more powerful, and more refined. Whether you're a die-hard BMW fan or just love high-performance sports cars, the latest M4 is a machine that demands attention. Let's start with the design. The 2025 M4 retains the bold kidney grille, but BMW has refined the front end with sharper lines, new LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic bumper. The sculpted hood, aggressive stance, and widened fenders make it look ready to dominate the road. At the rear, you get redesigned taillights, a more prominent diffuser, and quad exhaust tips that let everyone know this is no ordinary coupe. You also get new wheel designs and color options, including exclusive BMW individual shades that enhance its road presence. Under the hood, BMW has fine-tuned the 3.0-liter twin turbocharged inline-six engine. In the base model, it produces around 473 horsepower, while the competition variant pushes out a thrilling 523 horsepower. But that's not all. There's also a rumored CS model that could take things even further. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic, the M4 delivers lightning-fast acceleration. The X-Drive all-wheel drive system in the competition model ensures maximum grip, launching the M4 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.4 seconds. Handling has always been a highlight of the M4, and BMW has made it even sharper. The adaptive M suspension, revised chassis tuning, and improved steering feel give the driver more confidence on both the road and the track. The optional carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, ensuring you can push this beast to the limit. The balance between performance and comfort is better than ever, making it a true driver's car. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit designed for performance and luxury. The new curved display combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment screen running BMW's latest iDrive system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with an improved voice assistant and customizable driving modes. The M carbon bucket seats provide excellent support, and high-quality materials like carbon fiber, leather, and Alcantara elevate the interior's feel. There's even an optional illuminated M badge on the seats for that extra touch of exclusivity. BMW has also integrated the latest safety and driver assistance features. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an optional track mode that disables assists for pure driving pleasure. The M Drift Analyzer and Lap Timer help you perfect your skills on the track, making this car as tech-savvy as it is powerful. For 2025, BMW has given enthusiasts more customization options, from unique M performance parts to exclusive trim packages. Whether you want a subtle sleeper or a head-turning track monster, there's an M4 configuration for you. The 2025 BMW M4 is a perfect blend of power, precision, and cutting-edge technology. It stays true to its M heritage while pushing the boundaries of modern performance. Whether you're looking for a daily driver that thrills or a weekend track weapon, the M4 delivers an unforgettable experience. What do you think of the new M4? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates.